How to be confident and brave. Are you looking to boost your confidence and bravery? Do you want to take more risks and push yourself to grow? This video will take you through 5 key tips that will help you become more confident and brave. Tip 1. The first step to increase your confidence is to know what you want. Knowing your goals and what you hope to gain from each situation will help you stay focused and motivated. When you know what you want, it becomes easier to be brave because you have a clear path forward. Tip 2. The next step is to practice and gain experience. When you try something new and gain experience, it builds your confidence. Knowing that you can handle whatever life throws at you will make it easier to take risks. The more risks you take, the more confident you will become. Tip 3. Find something that you're passionate about and use it to build your confidence. Having an activity or project that you're passionate about will give you something to focus on and make it easier to take more risks. Tip 4. Surround yourself with supportive and positive people. Having a strong support system will help to build your confidence and challenge you to take more risks. Tip 5. Finally, take it one step at a time. Taking small steps will help you develop your confidence and courage. Break down any big tasks into small steps and focus on completing each step one at a time. By following these 5 tips, you will learn how to become more confident and brave. Remember to know what you want, practice and gain experience. Find something you're passionate about. Surround yourself with supportive people and take it one step at a time. Good luck on your journey to confidence and bravery. Please consider leaving a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. It will mean a lot. Thank you. Have a great day.